Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the tech that powers your life. Today, we're taking a look at Amazon's latest smart speaker that aims to redefine room-filling sound and smart home integration. This is the brand new Echo Dot Max. Right out of the box, the Echo Dot Max looks different. It's refined and compact, wrapped in a 3D knit fabric, and designed with a minimalist silhouette that fits seamlessly into any room. Whether that's your living space, your bedside, or your kitchen countertop. But this is not just about looks. Underneath its sleek exterior is where the magic really happens. Let's talk sound. Amazon promises premium, auto-adapting audio, and from what we've tested, they deliver. With a 2.5-inch woofer and a 0.8-inch tweeter, the Echo Dot Max pumps out deeper bass and enhanced clarity. It's nearly 3 times the bass output of the 2022 Echo Dot, and the difference is immediately noticeable. Whether you're streaming music, podcasts, or even your favorite news channel, the clarity and punch are seriously impressive for a speaker this size. What truly makes this device stand out, though, is how smart it is, and I don't just mean Alexa. The Echo Dot Max introduces Alexa Plus, Amazon's next-gen AI assistant currently in early access. Once you set up this device, you get Alexa Plus automatically, a smarter, more conversational AI that's faster, more proactive, and feels more natural in daily interactions. And here's the kicker: after early access ends, Alexa Plus stays free if you're a Prime member. Non-Prime users can still get it, but it'll cost $19.99 a month. But it doesn't stop there. The Echo Dot Max comes with OmniSense technology. Think of it as your home's sixth sense. It features ambient temperature and light sensors, presence detection, and even an accelerometer for tap gestures. That means your Echo can now trigger smart home routines when you walk into a room or when the temperature changes. No need for extra hubs. The Echo Dot Max supports Zigbee, Matter, and Thread border router, giving you wide compatibility with thousands of smart home devices. If you're into building a smart audio setup, this speaker also supports device pairing. You can sync up 2 Echo Dot Max units for stereo sound, or connect them to a compatible Fire TV for an immersive home theater system. You can even use it as part of an Eero Wi-Fi mesh network to extend your Wi-Fi coverage by up to 1,000 square feet. Let's not forget connectivity. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which means faster streaming, lower latency, and better range. And for privacy-conscious users, Amazon includes multiple layers of protection, like a microphone mute button and full control over your voice recordings through the Alexa app. Inside, it runs on Amazon's new AZ3 processor with an AI accelerator, offering a snappier and smoother experience than previous generations. Commands execute quicker, and thanks to its powerful audio signal processing, the speaker automatically tunes itself to your room's acoustics. The Echo Dot Max is more than just a speaker. It's a smart home controller, an AI assistant, a sound system, and a hub, all in one compact device. If you're looking to upgrade your smart speaker game in 2025, this one deserves serious consideration. That wraps up today's review. If you're enjoying our deep dives into the latest tech, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and let us know in the comments what you think about Alexa Plus and the new Echo Dot Max. Until next time, stay smart and stay curious.